Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this German for Beginners A1 course, lesson 12c, we are going to learn the counting of numbers in German from 41 to 60. I'm your mentor Joseph Bolt will be with you and together we will try to learn. And before we proceed, as always, please watch the video carefully, and counting numbers in German is a matter of trick and it's really easy. In order to learn German or Deutsch properly and also to complete your A1 course, we need to know them. So let's start. And today we'll start with 41. And in German, 41 is pronounced as 41. 41. Here ein means one, on this and 40 means 40. And altogether it means 41. 41, 41. 42, 42. 43, 43. 44, 44. 45, 45. 46, 46. 47, 47. 48, 48. 49, 49. 50, 50. And we have completed from 41 to 50, and now we are going to learn 51 to 60. 51, 51. 52, 52. 53, 53. 54, 54. 55, 55. 56, 56. 57, 57. 58, 58. 59, 59. 60, 60. And that's all. And congratulations, you have learned the German numbers from 41 to 60. And notes. Please practice properly and contact me on the comment box if you face any problem. If you have missed our previous lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description too. Hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Please subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.